year 7, so different challenge today, as I've probably just explained in me. So you're going to pick a dance step, like the Macarena, which has a series of movements that repeat. Don't worry if your dance doesn't normally repeat, just pick maybe a couple of the steps from the dance that you can repeat. So dances from like TikTok or Cha-Cha Slide, or even like childhood games like Ring a Ring of Roses will do. What you're going to do is you're going to begin by breaking down, decomposing the dance steps. So if I was doing the Macarena, I would tell you about extending your arm out, your right arm out with your palm down, then your left arm out, and then I would talk about turning the palm over, turning the other palm over. Form the proper dance steps at the end that you have just taught us so that we can dance along with you.